Hey guys, it's
We're
me,
back with
Steve
Jimmy!
again, and I'm gonna be recording a Haunted Mansion run with my
Yeah!
friend right here. You know what to say. You know what to say.
Yeah! Hello,
You know what to
everyone.
say.
Happy Easter! Yes,
And
I am Jimmy's friend.
you know the special word.
Please! What?
And then what? And then say what's after it.
Please like and subscribe so we can get to 100K
Yeah,
at the end of
right,
the year.
guys. If you don't,
So
you
please like and
subscribe right now.
subscribe so
Put
that
your
we can
hand
literally
on that subscribe button. Okay.
And then we're going! Let's go!
Do we
already have
could
our
you possibly do the mining with for me? Cause I'm gonna be holding a camera, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this with the camera.
Yeah, I'll do the mining.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and I'll find the key. I'll find the key.
Okay. Wait for me, bro. I'm back behind. Just so dang slow. That's what I am. The deep dark.
Just keep going forward.
Red light, green light. Where are you, bro?
I'm over here at the Haunted Mansion.
Wait, this is Haunted Mansion? Okay, I'm up
Yeah.
here. Nah, this is not
The heck?
like Haunted. What?
Okay, leave the camera right here, okay?
Okay, bet. Okay, where do we go?
Wait there.
Okay. Wait here. Make sure you're good. Or else you're getting grounded. Now, what is that? Jimmy, where the fuck are you? Where is that bouncing noise? Two hours later. Yeah, I'm just waiting for you. I sent him the video of like if you have a laptop, turn it off.
Okay.
Are you here?
Are you there? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right here. I'm right here. Do you not see me? I'm up. Okay. I'm gonna come down. Do you have the key, bro?
Yeah.
Good. Goated. The most easiest way is to turn off your Wi-Fi. And then you want to know what?
What?
And then whoa.
If you want me to do the mining, I can. Yeah, you mine, I'll left.
Get ready. Like, put it right there. Okay. Now do it over here. Now collect that.
I can't.
Try to grab it.
It'll put me upside down, but I'll do it.
Ew. One's up here. One's up here. Yeah, we're just. Who the frick are you? Did you feel offline, bro?
I am off.
Get out of our code, bro. Bro, look, no one's in our code. Why do I hear like loud stuff? Do you not hear that?
Just imagination. Just come on, get mine. We need to be.
No, no. Collect that one. Come over here. Come over here. Yes.
Yes, got it.
There we go. What about the reds? Do we need to mine the reds?
Yeah, we need reds too. Mine reds.
I just got Ammo Company coins. Let's go. I got 105. Okay, come on.
Okay.
I think it's in your bag.
More.
Grab that. And I just got 3 gems. Let's go. What? That's right there.
Okay.
Okay, it's
No
not
idea
there.
that.
Ah! Okay, ready for this one? Right here. Right here.
Okay, I'm almost full.
Just go right there. That's the last one, right? That should be it.
No, my bad. I have a few more switches left.
Okay.
I'm safe.
Wait, should we go down at some point? Right here, right here. Jimmy, wake up. Right here. We're having a struggling time. Wait, will the camera mod be posted on YouTube? Will it be on YouTube? Jimmy. Right there. Is that full? Is it full? Ah! No! What's going on? I'm touching something and I'm
Sorry, I was on a call. Okay,
Jimmy.
keep on.
Okay. Jimmy, is this gonna be like posted on YouTube?
Okay, I'm almost full. Almost full.
Wait, will this be posted on YouTube?
I have like what? I got
Ah! Oh my god. That hurts.
Yeah,
Okay, I think you're
I'm
full.
full. I'm
Are you-
full now. I'm full.
Okay, now wait,
Okay,
should we go
got
down? Go down?
Yeah.
Like where?
Just follow me though. Follow me though.
Me? Back. We're coming!
Okay.
What in the world? Was I doing what I was supposed to?
I'm stopped. Then.
Jimmy! You're here.
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
Okay. Let's do
where are
this. I'm at the sound machine.
Wait, look at the computer. It hurts, bro. It hurts out. It's like, oh, it's light green. You can't join any code.
No, you just press the key and then
Let's do this. And you guys are gonna go to sleep with the
actually my camera's in bad.
I know, I saw
But
it.
you'll see in a sec. I put my camera in there and look.
No, it's still there.
Yeah, it's invincible.
Wait,
Okay.
will it be posted on YouTube? Will it be posted on YouTube?
Yes, this video will be posted on YouTube.
What would it
I'm
be
gonna
called?
have a special guest to say goodbye from our video.
Me. I think me, I don't know.
No,
Bye.
it's another special guest.
Oh, okay.
1 sec.
Well, just wait. Wait, I'm gonna press alert. Okay, now it works.
Okay.
Okay, she's
Adjust.
here. It says available 3. Hey, bro, where are you? No, he's here.
Okay.
He is here.
Okay.
I can tell because it says 3.
Other guys that joined, can you come to the mirror because we're gonna say goodbye.
Wait, Snebber. Snebber.
Hello?
That's his name. That's his name. His name is Snebber. Yeah, his name is Snebber. He's still in the code. Snebber, come back to the spawn and go where No, he's not here. This could be a joke.
Okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Well, we'll see.
Okay.
Next
Blue,
time.
blue, come to the camera. Blue, come to the camera.
Blue. Come here. We
Okay,
have
let's
our
go.
special guest here now.
Yeah, this is our special
him.
guest. This is our special guest for the video.
Hi, it's me,
You know what to
Jackson
say,
Beats.
right?
Go
You know what
go
to say,
subscribe
right?
to my channel.
Yeah, and
subscribe
subscribe
to
to me
subscribe
too.
to
And
Jimmy's.
subscribe to Jimmy.
Yeah.
Or else you're getting
also
or else you're
subscribe-
gonna get kicked
also
off
subscribe
Animal
to
Company and
Jackson
be
Beats.
banned for
Bye,
6,000
Subscribe to
years.
Jackson